Hi, I'm Tanya. If you're here on this website, it's probably because you're interested in improving the health of you and your family. There's a lot of information I could share with you right now, but the purpose of this video is to give you a quick guide in less than 2 minutes on how to use this amazing machine right here. This is an Enagic Leveluk K8 water ioniser. This machine is way more than just something that filters your water. As mentioned, it's a water ioniser, which means that it's connected to electricity, putting tap water through a process of electrolysis, which creates 7 different types of water. Water that's really acidic versus water that's very alkalized, which you see in the poster from which you scan the QR code. If you'd like to learn more about what these waters can do, go to the FAQ section below. 5 important things to remember when using this machine. Number 1, never run hot water through the machine, only cold. Number 2, run the water slowly as it will give the water more time to go through the machine and cross the titanium plates, which make the magic happen. Number 3, only drink the water associated with the purple buttons. This is called Kangen water. It's alkalized water that is full of molecular hydrogen, which has been shown through many scientific studies to be extremely healthy for you. When drinking this water, it is recommended that you start with 8.0 for a couple of weeks, and then 9.0, and then finally 9.5 and onwards. Number 4, the other waters are not for drinking, but they're used for many other things. They can replace many of the cleaning products around your house and will also save you money on skincare. If you'd like to learn more, visit the Discover Kangen water page on this website. Number 5, do not drink water from the bottom hose, only the top hose. Once you learn what these waters can do, if you're a member at my gym, feel free to bring some spray bottles with you next time you come and fill up and test at home. This machine and our shower filter have changed mine and my family's life in a huge way, and I'm looking forward to helping you discover how I can do the same for you. Come say hi when I'm at the gym. Feel free to contact me if you're a friend as you normally would, or use the contact details provided here on the website. Have a great day.